Guess what, guys? I got your DNA test back. I got your DNA test back. Guess what you are? Guess what you are? Oh, you think we should show everybody how the DNA thing works before we tell them? Okay, that's what we'll do. I just wanted to do a little video about the IQ bird testing. This thing's pretty cool. So if you kind of match your eggs to your emus or any other bird, you can get the sex of them by sending them in here. So this is their website. There's all kinds of information here, but we're just going to dive in and place an order. DNA sexting with blood sample, feathers, eggshell. So this is the best way to do it. Although if you didn't save the eggshells, or you you don't know which emu came out of which egg or bird, any bird, you can do one of these other ones, but this is this one's super easy. So 16 bucks. So we're going to add that to the cart. So enter the following information. So bird ID. Good Lord, people. So we're going to look that up. Dromaeus nova hollandae. So yeah, that's our bird. So we're going to call this egg 1. I think that's what they want there. And we're going to say emu. Sample type eggshells, under's name, that's me. And add to cart. So we're going to DNA gender, 2 to 4 working days. Nice. A completely dry eggshell sample inside of a bag. More information on sample collection can be found here. Okay. And then you can come back to the website for the results, which is cool. So this is egg 2. And we need to do it one more time. So this is going to cost us a little bit of money. All right, so we're going to keep going through this, but at the end of this, we're going to put the eggs, or just a little piece of the egg with the albumin and a little bit of blood. That's what I did last time. Just some stuff on it, and then mark each one. I put each one last time in a Ziploc bag and send them off. So we'll wait, I guess, 3 to 4 days and see what the result is. Okay, little babies, guess what I have right here? It's what you are. Don't argue. So you guys got your glasses on? So you can see? All right, here we go. Okay, so this is egg 1. Who's egg 1? It's you, Allie. You're egg 1. You're Mrs. Egg 1. All right, so egg 1 is da-da-da-da, female. Allie, you're a girl. How exciting is that? So exciting. You want the next one? Okay. So this here is egg 2. And who's egg 2? It's you, Sam. It's you. You're egg 2. And, oh, Sam. Dang it. Messed it up. Jack, you're egg 2. And egg 2 is a female. Jack, you're a girl too. We got 2 girls. Woo, 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 woo. Are you so excited? Let's see what egg number 3 was, even though he didn't make it. He was the tiny one. He was your tiny brother. Look at that mini emu. All right, so egg 3 was a male. So that's your brother. May he rest in peace. What do you guys think? Super exciting? Are you more excited about the paper than you are about the results? Huh? Yes, you are. You guys, you're girls. You know what that means? You know what that means? You could be Hank's girlfriend. Or you could be Sam's girlfriend. Yeah. Oh, they're more excited about Sam. Sam's very handsome. He's very handsome. Yes, he is. That's what Sam is. He's very handsome. Yes, he is. But, you know what? Hank is very masculine. He's a big boy. He's just a big old daddy. So, Hank might be a better father. He's got a little more meat on his bones. What do you think? They seem to get unexcited when I say Hank. But when I say Sam, Sam is the exciting one, huh? Maybe they're just over it. They're like, what's a boy? I don't know what a boy is. We knew we were girls the whole time, didn't ya? Yes, you did. You knew you were a girl from the beginning. But you can't talk. So anyway, that is super exciting. We got 2 baby girls. And every time I say the baby emus are out of the woods, something happens, so I'm not going to say that. I'm simply going to say that's very exciting. Isn't it? Yes, it is. Very exciting. All right, well, I'm going to go tell Sam and Hank, okay? All right. Sam, guess what, buddy? Sam, guess what? You're going to be very excited. You're going to be very excited. The 2 baby emus that I've been telling you about, guess what they are? They're girls. She's going to have a girlfriend. Yes, he will. Are you so excited? I'm going to really try. God, Hank, Sam, you're getting all kinds of rambles, buddy. I'm really going to try and introduce those 2 little girls to Sam fairly soon. I mean, he's a big old emu already, but he's gentle. He's super gentle. Aren't ya? You are the gentlest little boy in the whole wide, aren't ya? Yes, you are. All right, I'm gonna have to go tell Hank. Hank will be super excited. You don't know what a girl is yet, but Hank does. So I'm gonna go find him, okay? Okay. Hank, guess what? I got a surprise for you. I got a surprise for you. Here's a treat. He's like, that banana's old. Give me a new banana. It's old, huh? Let me give you a new one, okay? Hang on. We'll give this one to the chickens because they don't know the difference. All right, be right back. All right, Hank, let's try this again. Come on, buddy. Come here. So I have a, he's like, don't give me one piece, I want the plate. He's like, those are too, that's too fresh. Try again. How about some peel? I'm really ruining the celebration here, buddy. But guess what? Guess what, Hank? The two babies I've been telling you about, they're girls. What do you think? Okay. Hank says, it's gonna take a while. They look like chickens to me. So let me know in about 8 months, because I don't got time for this. I got things to do. He really didn't like that banana. Sometimes if I have soap on my hand, like if I just wash my hand, he won't eat the thing that I give him, because he thinks, I guess he just smells it and he thinks that's what it is. But it's not. Are you gonna try it again? Here. I'll let you be under your own power. Try as you like. He just really would rather me give it to him in pieces, but I can't do that when I'm holding the camera, Hank. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it, big boy. Haven't ruffled up your feathers in a few days, have I? They're all gunked together. Need a good combing every once in a while, don't ya? Woo, it just rained yesterday. We're having a wet season, wet summer. El Nino is in the house. So we're gonna have a wet summer, which is great, but in Texas, where when it is wet, it's 80% humidity most of the time. Nah, it's probably not most of the time, but it's high humidity, 50% anyway. And so the mosquitoes, it's like there can be not a single mosquito in the yard, and it rains. Next day, it is infested. Where do they come from, Hank? Where are they lying in wait? I don't know. But there's a million of them out here, so I'm getting eaten. Hank, you can't get eaten, can you? Nope, can't get through this. This is way too thick. No mosquitoes are getting in there. Almost all his feathers have grown back after his molting. Look at that. Look at that pretty boy. I can't even get in there anymore. Yeah, even the babies are long. But you sure got some pink skin underneath, don't ya? Don't shave your head or your body. It won't be a good look for you, buddy. Not a good look at all. All right, buddy. Maybe once that banana gets a little older, it'll taste better. Okay? All right. I'll check back in about the girls in 6 or 8 months. Is that cool? All right.